Hello, today we are going to talk about making a design using Canva. When making a design, scroll up here to custom size. Change the pixels to inches and then add in your width and height. For today, I'm going to use the generic 10 by 10 design size. And then create new design. You can use the scroll bar down here to size your design so that your canvas is as large as you need to see. Now, when making a design in Canva, I highly suggest using clip art or designs that you have purchased through sites like Etsy, Design Bundles, or Creative Fabrica. These websites will allow you to purchase designs and clip art at a 300 DPI, which is a higher resolution for clearer images. I do not recommend using AI designs or designs saved from share groups or the internet. Those are usually saved at a lower resolution or in a JPEG format. So you won't get the crisp, clear lines that you would if you purchased the designs at a higher resolution. So if you have a design that you want to add some elements to it, you come over here to upload. You would hit upload files and then go into your download section and you would just click on your design, hit open, and it's going to upload for you. But for today, we're going to use the Elements tab. And I'll search for gnome. Let's do some summer gnomes. Now, I do recommend having Canva Pro. It's going to allow you to have a few more options to make your designs unique. And in saving your designs, you can save it with a clear, transparent background. If you don't have Canva Pro, then you can filter and go down here and click free, and it will take out all of the Pro. Now, I will say you want to do static. We don't want any animated designs. So I am going to click that. So for our summer, this little bee one is cute. This little watermelon is cute here too. The tie-dye one is especially cute. So let's pick the watermelon gnome. We'll just size that over here real quick. And how about the little drink gnome with the umbrella? I'm just going to size those two. And that looks pretty good there. Now to add some text, let's add a heading. Summer fun. To change the text, you can click up here. You can scroll through your text. Now, in order to upload your fonts, you will also need Canva Pro. You cannot upload fonts to just regular Canva. Let's try this one. Now, if I want to change the color, we can come over here. It'll pull the colors that are already in my design. And there we have it. You can also click on here and go to effects. And we can go down here and curve this if we want, and then bring this out a little bit bigger. That little guy doesn't want to move. And there you go. Now, if you have multiple designs, you can hit Shift, click on one, click on the other, and that's going to group it for you. You can expand and move these out as a group. If you want to see how big the design is, click on your text. It's all one. And then when you start moving it, you can see down here at the bottom what your size of your design is. So we'll come up here and click Share. We want this as a PNG file. We're going to scroll this bar all the way over. Yes, you're going to get this little warning here, but that's okay. This is going to help to increase your resolution. And always want a transparent background, and then hit download. Once it is downloaded, come into your download folders, and here is your new image. So you can see here that we have a transparent background, we have our text and our image.